Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add terms and conditions for your site in Site123. So let's start. First, you want to scroll down to the footer and you're going to see here edit footer. Click on it. When you're going to see here on edit footer, you're going to see it here terms of service. Click it on and then you can see it right here and you want to just click edit. And straight away you just want to terms and conditions and just fill everything what you need to. When I'm going to click save and I will open the terms and conditions, as you can see it's a new page on site which is called terms and conditions. So this is how you do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And yeah, thank you everybody, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.